Good day everyone, I'm Jomedi Guzman. My activity 4. In site respect, that use of enigmatic should be the balance with accountability. Using anonymity is beneficial as it gives one the freedom of the expression and privacy, particularly when the subject matter is sensitive. On the other hand, anonymity and should not be employed to deceive or vilify other internet user or event use it as a cover of for malicious activities. Internet user need to be mindful of their actions and word online, as their behaviors can have the emotional and mental implication on others. One iniquity guideline that could serve as an appropriate solution to this problem is anonymity should be employed as the tool for privacy and not to hurt or deceive others. I'm Jomedi Guzman. Hanggang doon lang po. Thank you na po.